Welcome to QR2AI. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to design beautiful Arabic calligraphy using QR2AI.com. Let's get started. Okay, first, you'll need to sign up if you haven't already. If you do have an account, simply enter your username and password and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the AI calligraphy page. Now let's explore the templates. Here, you'll find a wide variety of styles. New designs are added every few days, so you'll always have fresh options. Whether you want a brush stroke effect, a glass style, or something floral, you can find it here. You can browse page by page or jump directly by typing the page number. There's also a search bar. Just type wood and you'll instantly see all matching templates. Try typing brush or flower to explore more. Okay, now let's upload an image. For the best results, make sure your image has good contrast. Light colored calligraphy on a dark background, or dark colored calligraphy on a light background. This helps the AI generate clean and detailed results. Alright, after uploading, choose your preferred style. For example, let's pick a water and glass effect. Leave auto sizing on for now and click generate. Great, the calligraphy appears. Okay, once you're happy with the result, you can download it directly or save it to your gallery. In the gallery, you'll find all your saved images ready to download or delete anytime. Now, let's close the gallery tab and return to the dashboard. I'll scroll down all the way to the bottom so you can see the temporary 24-hour section. Keep in mind, temporary previews remain available for 24 hours, so be sure to save your favorites before they expire. Here's something cool. With QR2AI, you can transform your image into a video in just seconds. Let's give it a try. Let me scroll up to the image I just generated. Right below the Go to Gallery arrow icon, you'll see a button with a video icon. Hover over that icon and you'll see the option that says Turn Image to Video. Click Turn Image to Video. The video settings panel will pop up where you can adjust and edit all the details you want. You can write your own motion prompt or hit Surprise Me for inspiration. It's a good practice to mention that you don't want to change the shape or meaning of your calligraphy. This helps the AI animate it naturally while keeping its original form. If you look closely, the default resolution is set to 720p, but I recommend starting with a lower preview, like 480p for 5 seconds, before moving to higher quality. This way, you save credits/diamonds while testing the look. After writing your motion prompt and choosing your preferred resolution, click the Generate Video button. Wait a few seconds while QR2AI works its magic. Once generated, your video will instantly pop up on the screen, and it'll also appear in the temporary section below. Here it is, your image transformed into a video. You can download it right away, or if you'd like a higher resolution, click Regenerate, adjust the video settings, and create the upgraded version using the same prompt. Today we created Arabic calligraphy images and turned them into videos using QR2AI. Now it's your turn to explore, create, and share your designs. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.